International Women's Day, IWD, is a global tribute to the strength, resilience, and achievements of women in every sphere: social, economic, cultural, and political. It is a day to honor progress, uplift voices, and ignite the momentum for an even brighter, more inclusive future. The theme for IWD 2025, For All Women and Girls, Rights, Equality, Empowerment, highlights inclusivity and equal opportunities for every woman, regardless of background or circumstances. By breaking barriers and fostering leadership, we create a world where all women and girls can thrive. In line with this vision, Vishwa Yuvak Kendra organized an inspiring event on 7th March 2025, bringing together influential leaders, change-makers, experts, and young voices to discuss key issues affecting women today. The event served as a platform for insightful discussions and collective action to accelerate gender equality. The event began with the warm welcome of our esteemed dignitaries, followed by the ceremonial lighting of the lamp and floral greetings. Chief guest Dr. Rashmi Singh, IS, Commissioner Secretary, Hospitality and Protocol, Government of J&K Principal Resident Commissioner, emphasized the importance of policy making and leadership in advancing women's rights. An inspiring keynote address was delivered by Professor Dr. Pranati Pangda, shared insights on the role of education in gender equality. Guests of honor, Ms. Aarti Sharma, ACP, Delhi Police, addressed critical issues on women's empowerment and safety. An expert panel engaged in thought-provoking discussions on key issues shaping the future of women and society. Women's health, building a stronger society. Dr. Rita Bhatia highlighted the importance of accessible healthcare, nutrition and mental wellness, stressing that empowering women with health education and resources leads to stronger families and communities. Women's safety and security. Mr. Vinay Vijayvargiya addressed the urgent need for a safer environment for women, both in public and digital spaces, along with the need for ensuring road safety, particularly tire safety. Role of women in leadership. Ms. Akriti, RJ at 92.7 Big FM, shed light on the growing influence of women in leadership positions across industries. She spoke about overcoming societal barriers, the importance of mentorship, and increasing female representation in decision-making roles. Role of women in nation building. Dr. Satish Chandra emphasized the vital contributions of women in economic growth, governance, and social development. These discussions provided valuable insights, reinforcing the collective responsibility to support and uplift women in every sphere of life. The energy continued with vibrant cultural performances celebrating the strength, resilience, and diversity of women. We recognized and celebrated the efforts of our guests, speakers, panelists, and performers for their invaluable contributions. The journey doesn't end here. Let's continue working towards a world where every woman and girl has the right to dream, achieve, and lead.